Now come to question number 2. Give first the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. See A part. 3L equal to 42. See the solution. A part. 3L equal to 42. Here you have to remove this 3 and 3 is multiplied to the variable. How will you remove this 3? By dividing 3L by 3. Here dividing both sides by 3. What will you get? 3L upon 3 equal to 42 upon 3. Here we can cancel 3 by 3. What is left? L equal to, here divide 42 by 3. 3 1 ja, and here 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja 12. L equal to 14. This is your solution. Now come to B part. B upon 2 equal to 6. Here we have to remove this 2 which is in the denominator. How will you remove this 2? By multiplying it by 2. Here multiplying both sides by 2. What will you get? B upon 2 into 2 equal to 6 into 2. Here you can cancel 2 by 2. What is left? B equal to 6 into 2, 12. B equal to 12 is the solution of the equation. Now come to C part. P upon 7 equal to 4. Here you have to remove this 7 which is in the denominator. You have to multiply P upon 7 by 7 in order to remove this 7. Multiplying both sides by 7. What will you get? P upon 7 into 7 equal to 4 into 7. Here 7 is cancelled by 7. What is left? P equal to 4 7 ja 28. This is your solution of the given equation. Now come to D part. It is 4x equal to 25. Here you have to remove this 4. How will you remove this 4? By dividing it by 4. So dividing both sides by 4. What will you get? 4x upon 4 equal to 25 upon 4. Here 4 is cancelled by 4. What is left? X is equal to 25 upon 4. This is your solution. Now come to E part. 8y equal to 36. Here you have to remove this 8. How will you remove this 8? By dividing 8 by 8. So dividing both sides by 8. What will get? 8y upon 8 equal to 36 upon 8. Here 8 is cancelled by 8. And what will you get? Y equal to, here simplify, here you can cancel it by 4. 4 9 ja 36, 4 2 ja 8. You will get 9 upon 2. Y equal to 9 upon 2 is the solution of given equation. Now come to F part. Z upon 3 equal to 5 upon 4. Here you have to remove 3 from left hand side. How will you remove this? By multiplying 8 by 3. So multiplying both sides by 3. What will you get? Z upon 3 into 3 equal to 5 upon 4 into 3. Here you can cancel 3 by 3. What is left? Z equal to, here multiply numerator by numerator, by 3 is 15 upon 4. Here Z is equal to 15 upon 4 is the solution of given equation. Now come to G part. A upon 5 equal to 7 upon 15. Here you have to remove this 5 which is in the denominator. You have to multiply it by 5. Multiplying both sides by 5. What will you get? A upon 5 into 5 equal to 7 upon 15 into 5. Here you can cancel this 5 by 5. What is left? A equal to, here again you can cancel 5 and 15 by 5. 5 1 ja and 5 3 ja 15. What is left? 7 into 1, 7 upon 3. A equal to 7 upon 3 is the solution of given equation. Now come to H part. 20t equal to minus 10. Here you have to remove this 20 from t. We have to divide it by 20. So dividing both sides by 20. What will you get? 20t upon 20 equal to minus 10 upon 20. Here you can cancel 20 by 20. What is left? T equal to, here you can cancel 0 by 0. What is left? Minus 1 upon 2. The t equal to minus 1 upon 2 is the solution of given equation.